Hey guys, so today we are going to go over the National Real Estate Exam acronym. So these are things that you guys want to remember. These are things that you're going to see on the test when it comes to the national portion, regardless which state that you're doing it for. The national is the national, okay? So I want you to know some of these acronyms. A lot of these acronyms you will see on your regular state test as well, but I just want to make sure you know it, okay? So let's dive in. So PITT is a good one. This may answer your question, Sarah, about this one. So a lot of people get the Tennessee in common confused with joint Tennessee. This solves that for you. So I always like to look at it as, where's Brad? All right. Where is Brad? When I see joint Tennessee, where is Brad in this situation? Where is Brad Pitt? So our acronym for this is going to be PITT, PITT. So anytime you see joint Tennessee and it says possession, interest, title, time, you know that that is PITT and that is automatically joint tenancy. If it say that they, because with joint tenancy, with possession, they all have equal possession. The interest, they all have equal ownership. So if you see that it's not equal, you know that for the interest is equal ownership. So you would know that clearly that's not joint tenancy. All right. So anytime you see joint tenancy, guys, think of where is Brad Pitt, because the PITT is what you're going to need to know when you see joint tenancy so you can remember it. Okay. So possession, interest, time, title. Got it? So I want to thank you guys for watching. We went through that really, really fast. I wanted to do this lunch break acronym for you guys because I know some of you guys have to go to work or looking at it from work. So it's okay. I don't want you to get in trouble. So I want to go ahead and share this with you. But thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe so that way you can see more videos. If there's anything that you need me to go over, please let me know when it comes to acronyms, or if it comes to I'm having a hard time remember this, let me know. I would be more than happy to share it because I'm sure you're not the only person that has that question. Reach out for any questions. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to info@rawsandassociates.com when it comes to what to do after you pass or fingerprints, anything, whatever it is, we are here to assist. And Florida, guys, if you need the cram test, we do have it at that site. So thank you guys. I wish you all a wonderful day. Remember, 5 tomatoes. Remember, 4 old ladies driving 35 miles per hour. Maria, remember that men change or to add something. And nails screwed or glued, whatever that is. I hope this helped you. And y'all have a wonderful day. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this because I know we wanted to run through it for lunch break. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. Let me know. Y'all have a great day. Congratulations to everyone taking the test. Bye bye.